Hop into the 2021 Honda Passport. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda Passport, the midsize crossover with all the features you need to make your outdoor adventures fun and comfortable. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, flexible cabin configurations, smart tech, towing ability, and optional all-wheel drive, this innovative vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, rear AC, aluminum wheels. Feel confident and comfortable on every excursion in the clever and versatile Passport. We can put you in the driver's seat today.